Hi everyone, and this is guide how to give awards on Reddit. So giving rewards on Reddit is really simple. So what you need to do, you need to go to Reddit and here just find any comment, any post you want to give award and press on reward icon. Once you've done that, you can choose any reward you want, add the message. You can choose you want to give it anonymously or not. And just after you choose a reward, just press on give reward. If you don't have reward coins, just press on reward comments icon in the top left corner. So I will show you. You just tap on it, and here you can see the amount of points and how much did they cost. And after you buy something of that, you can give rewards. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you. Leave a like and subscribe.